Hi, I'm Gaozong. I do content at Visla, and I want to quickly show you how I create quick product demo videos using Visla Screen Recorder. When I think about quick product demo videos, I want them to be concise and short, and I also want them to clearly communicate what the feature does so that customers can see how they might use it too. First, you want to open up the Visla desktop app and click on Screen Capture and click your window that you want to record. You'll see the window that you want to record and also your face in the left-hand corner. Feel free to move it around. I personally like to do the circle option, so I just keep it the way it is. And then you can click start to start recording. There's a little bit of a countdown. So I like to start in the home page and then go to where my feature is and start the process of showing users how to use it. So sometimes when I want to take a moment to look at my notes, I'll pause the recording just to refresh, remember what I'm trying to say, and then click on the record button again when I'm ready to keep going. So then when I'm done with my recording, I click on stop, and then that will load it directly into Visla as a clip. My favorite part is actually the quick editing that you can do directly on the video. Just open up the clip in Visla and then go to cut to remove anything that you don't want. So I want to remove this last section here. So all I do is highlight, mark to cut, confirm, and then that is totally removed from my video. One of the last things that I like to do is add a call to action, which will add a button to the end of your video. Let's say I want this video linked directly to our screen capture page on our website. I want it to be learn more. Save. So now I have a call to action button at the end of my video. There you go, there's my button. Now that the video is ready, I can easily just copy the link to share with our customers, or I can invite people. I can also download the video so that I have it to upload on social media. All right, and that's how I create quick product demo videos using Visla Screen Recorder. I do want to mention it's totally free. All you have to do is download the desktop app to get started. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching our video.